Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm driving from Ogbe Mbaise, Imo State to where they have the airport in Ngor Okpala, which is the Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport. So this is Mbaise and I'm heading to Ngor Okpala now. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So guys, come with me as I show you around some places in Mbaise and Ngor Okpala as we are heading to the Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport. Mbaise is very big. Mbaise is too big, and Mbaise nwere mmadụ ndị dịka nwa Chinemere na Mbaise, ma ndị dịka onye nwe chakwa ma ABC Transport ha chakwa ndị Mbaise. So it has a lot of prominent men, you know. There are a lot of prominent men that come out of Mbaise land. Wataramba 5. This road is also called the Owerri Mbaise Obowo Highway, that was reconstructed by the executive governor of Imo State. Mbaise has boundary with Obowo. If you are coming from Umuahia, you will pass Obowo before you get to Mbaise. Mbaise will get a boundary with Umuahia. This is Ngor Okpala now, actually. As I was saying, Mbaise has boundary with Umuahia. There is a community in Umuahia that you can trek from that community and you cross over to Mbaise. So Mbaise when a boundary with Umuahia, Mwekwe with Ngor Okpala and some other places. Mwekwe with Owerri. Some other places that I myself might not even be aware of. But now this is Ngor Okpala, a different place. Ngor Okpala, they're very, very close to Mbaise. Ngor Okpala is very close to Mbaise, and right now, like I said, I'm heading to the airport. Now, I noticed something about Ngor Okpala. It's very calm. They have a lot of empty lands. There are a lot of empty lands. And maybe did they use them do farm, or I don't know, or maybe development never really reached this side. But the road is okay, motorable. It leads you to the airport, Sam Mbakwe Airport straight. Has a street light, Makandega Ache land in Abale, because of some people that might land at night and still want to, go to their various destinations. So if they are driving through this road, there will be enough light coming from the street lights that are solar powered. So this is nice. Now this is not even the major airport road though. There's a major airport road, but this one is a connecting road that will still lead you to the airport road, from which direct Ibana Sam Mbakwe International Airport dinner Ngor Okpala in Imo State. So come with me, let me show you guys. Let me take you guys to Ngor Okpala. The airport in Ngor Okpala. Ngor Okpala is very popular. Abroad today can Ngor Okpala. We have the airports there. We have Zion Ministries. That's where Zion Ministries headquarters is. Church. Pastor, or is it Pastor Reverend Ebuku B, one of the big pastors in Alibo. So he has his headquarters situated here in Ngor Okpala. You can see how the community is. So it looks calm. I just like the calmness, the serenity that you would see, or you would feel when you are driving around Ngor Okpala. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. If you have subscribed already, thanks a lot. Kindly watch the video down to end. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and if you haven't clicked the share button, kindly click the share button and help me share the video.